What is up, you guys? It is your boy, the Zeta Effect. We're here with
Noah's Don.
And we're going to be doing something a little different today. We're going to be reacting to short horror films.
You guys is short horror films, or short films in general.
Send us whatever. You know, because that's what we do now. We're reacting to short horror films. So we're just going to dive right into this one. This one is called We Got a Dog.
We got a
We got a dog.
We got a dog once. Not me and you. Not me and him.
I know you got a dog once. I got a cat.
Yeah.
But what happened to your dog? We're just gonna start. We're just gonna go ahead and start this one. We Got a Dog, short horror film. Let's jump right in. Let's see.
Dog about to turn out to be Cujo.
Already liking the shots.
Yeah.
Hi, your car's not here. What's going on? Where are you?
What?
What did you deal with tonight?
I know. I'm sorry.
Why are you so demanding?
Right.
I'll be there. I'll be there in a few
Only a few behind?
minutes. Okay. I'm sorry, Morgan. I will be there. I promise. Okay.
Okay. Okay, yeah, just drive safe.
Okay. I gotta go.
She sounds so angry. The man is
Right.
making money for y'all.
I don't know. Like, sheesh.
Is somebody here?
Great. You're home early.
What the fuck?
I was just getting started on the hors d'oeuvres.
Are you? I was just on the phone with you. Are you messing with me?
I was trying to surprise you.
Okay. Cool. Well, I'm gonna go wash my hands and then I can help you cook, okay?
What the fuck?
What in the world?
That's the big surprise. You okay?
No.
Just sit down. Let's talk about it.
Leave.
It's exciting. Come on, Morgan.
It's exciting. What was the noise? Was that the dog?
They got a dog.
So, I went to Franklin Village today, and I decided to go to Franklin.
First of all,
Mason, please don't tell me what I think you're gonna say.
Let me finish. And so, as I was walking to Franklin and Cultural Lunch,
First of all, she can't tell that something is off about this man.
You got a dog?
I decided to go in, quickly just pet a few of the dogs.
Why didn't you tell me about this? I mean, this is a huge responsibility.
Definitely not.
That's not a fucking dog.
It's not a dog. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
Together.
I literally just, I'm not even gonna lie. That just gave me chills. Get out of there. Why was his eyes just like that?
And she's still sitting there. You still sitting there.
I know you're angry now, but once you meet, you will fall in love. Come on, let me show you.
Morgan, leave.
Don't. If you go back there,
Run.
after you saw his eyes cocked like a pistol.
I got a dog.
Oh, you see? Nope.
Morgan, run. Leave. Grab your keys and get out.
And she's inching, still inching.
The boyfriend gonna come home. The actual boyfriend.
First of all, why is it just dark in that hallway? Turn the lights on.
Lady, you're
Use your
doing
phone flashlight.
all the wrong things.
Yeah, you look. Yep, run.
Go!
You got the confirmation.
point, I would have been.
Oh my god.
What are you doing? Oh no!
Nope.
Get the.
Nope. Nope. Nope.
I did not need to see that. I did not need to see that tonight. Why are you still there?
I feel like she deserved it. Whatever just happened to her. Well, yeah. Yeah. So is it a shapeshifter? Oh. Oh.
You're home early.
Yeah. I sent you a text earlier. You sounded weird. Everything okay?
Oh, yeah. I was just messing with you.
Alright. Weirdo. I'm gonna wash up and
I hope-
I'll
I hope-
dinner. I'm
Surprise.
sorry, but I'm starving. What was that?
Oh, right. I forgot to tell you.
You got a dog.
I forgot to tell you, but we got a dog.
Okay. First of all, she's stupid. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
She first of all, you knew something was wrong. Second, you saw the man eye go this way. Third, you got the text that it wasn't him,
So you still
and you
stand
still
there
was
and
inching down the
watch.
hallway. Why?
But I love films like this because
I was
that was
engaged.
great.
I was definitely engaged.
that was great. Like
I would like it to be
I had shivers. You said what? You said you would like it to be longer.
a longer film.
Yes.
Yeah.
That was good.
I want to know what the creature was because
I'm getting some the Thing going on there. Shape shifting, doppelgangers.
doppelganger.
Okay. The shots beautiful. Love it. The lighting, acting was great. That was pretty dope. I like that.
Yeah, it was dope. I like it. I enjoyed it.
Yeah, me too. Me too. Well,
Yeah, I wasn't scared, I would say, but it did freak me out a little bit.
I would say
Yeah, I was.
if I was watching it with the lights off at night, at home alone, and I saw that creature walking down the hall, I'm watching it and I'm seeing the creature walking down the hall, I'd be scared. Definitely.
I'd be freaked out.
Yeah. Yeah, that was dope. That was nice. I like that. Well, we hope you enjoyed this first edition of this series of Zayd and Don Reacts. Zayd and Don Reacts to short horror films. See you on the next one.